Welcome to Jackie and Sasha, the New York City elopement team, where we give you tips, post videos, and chat about all things wedding here in the Big Apple. If you are new to our channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram at Jackie and Sasha. Today, we are going to show you what it looks like to secure a coveted virtual marriage license interview with the city clerk's office on the Project Cupid website. Let's get started. Today's video is mainly focusing on securing a virtual appointment. However, please be aware we've also got a video on our channel that does focus on securing an in-person appointment if that's what you're interested in. Go check it out. Now, the virtual process does eliminate the need to physically go to the city clerk's office. However, you'll need to complete a few steps before you're even able to book an interview appointment. As we click through, you will see a checklist of everything that needs to be completed in the virtual process. Okay, first you'll connect with the Project Cupid website. That is https://nyc.gov/Cupid. Here's the screen that will come up. Now, make sure that you click on Marriage License Virtual. Okay, here's the screen that you will work from each time you return to go through the checklist. You will see the checklist on the right side of the page. Now, I point this out because you will need to make sure you've done the first few items on this checklist before you even reach booking your interview appointment virtually. So make sure you've completed your online application, check. You've received a confirmation number, check. And also, keep your confirmation number handy as you proceed. You've also created your nyc.id and are able to log in. And now we are ready to get the coveted virtual marriage license interview appointment. Go ahead and log in to your nyc.id account. Your checklist will show up on the right, and on the left side is schedule a meeting with city clerk to review your application. For the purpose of this video, I don't need a translator, so I'll select no, and then schedule your appointment. A calendar pops up. Then click through until you see dates with purple dots underneath the day. If there are appointments available, the purple dots represent those available appointments. Virtual appointments are more popular and therefore they get booked more quickly. So since I know that virtual appointments are released each week on Thursday at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we can see that there is quite a bit of availability here right now. When you're booking, I highly recommend that you are in front of your computer ready to go right at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'd even start a few minutes early. These appointments will go fast, so pick the date and time that works best for you, specifically a date when both you and your partner are physically in the state of New York. You also need to pick a date and time that is at least 24 hours before your wedding date. Okay, so we have our date and time, then we click Schedule. The next screen will confirm that your appointment has been officially booked. You will then want to click View Confirmation Page to review all the pertinent information, the date, the time, and login information of your actual appointment. You're also going to get an email with a confirmation number and a detailed rundown of what you need to do and have at your fingertips for your actual marriage license interview. Additionally, this is where you'll come to pay for your marriage license. And I just get this taken care of so you can check that off of your list before the marriage license interview. You'll click this link and it will walk you through it and direct you back to your checklist page. Once you've paid for the marriage license, you just have to wait for the actual interview. Congratulations! You now know how to secure a coveted virtual marriage license interview appointment through Project Cupid. Now, if you booked our all-in-one elopement package, this video doesn't really apply to you because Team Ranking will have already taken care of all of this for you. And there you have it, the nitty-gritty of booking your virtual interview appointment at the city clerk's office in New York City. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to be notified when we post a new video. And always, don't hesitate to reach out with any questions that come up. We are always happy to help. Until next time. Do you have a question about what we've covered in this video? Or maybe you have a suggestion on a topic we should tackle next? Leave us a comment below and we'll get on it. Click on the subscribe button to our channel and check out some of our other videos with helpful tips and tricks when tying the knot in New York City.